Now we're at the Bargain Barn. Holy smoky. Anything interesting? I think she got it at one of the bends, maybe. Don't put that on your head. Probably has lice.
Put that on top of it. It's top notch. What is this?
Garbage. Miles and miles of bins of stuff. Nothing good. Let's go to the one in Venice.
I'm not dying.
Look, a condo butterfly thing.
Huh?
A condo butterfly thing. It's a big long one. Forget it. Forget it. Let's go.
No, I'm not doing it. Tampa Bay Lightning.
It's gross.
You like it.
Put it away.
You like it.
Get away from me. Don't touch me with that.
A pink elephant.
Probably don't need that.
A pink pig.